So you bought a wide body and now it's time to consider how you want to mount it, what hardware you want to use. In this video, I'm going to be going through all the hardware options we have to do this and the differences between those options that you need to consider when picking out the right hardware for your wide body. So we offer two different hardware styles for our wide body options. We have our motor head and we have our button head. The button head is universal. It's going to fit all wide body kits that are available on the market. Our motor head has a wider diameter, so it stands out more, looks nicer, but you need to consider the divots that are in your wide body to know if it's going to fit or not. And we have all those specs listed on our website under each option. All of our wide body hardware comes with well nuts, and we recommend using well nuts. We've actually filmed a video on how to install well nuts for a wide body, which we'll link above. However, if you've already mounted your wide body and you used rib nuts, not to worry. We sell all of our wide body bolts individually by size, so you guys can pick them right from the website the size you need and get titanium hardware with your existing rib nuts. Of course, if you guys have any questions about our wide body hardware, you need help determining size or color, please email us, sales@dressedupbolts.com. We'll be happy to help you get set up with the hardware you need.